The Christmas season is a very special time of year. The stockings are hung and the lights are all aglow. At Area Mechanical, we proudly support this year's Sounds of the Holidays and some of the area's best high school choirs from over the years. For 30 years, we've served the State Line area with the same pride, with quality and reliable plumbing, heating and AC refrigeration, and other services for your business. Area Mechanical wishes everyone a healthy and safe Christmas season. Area Mechanical, serving the State Line area the right way for 30 years.